Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Let's begin our second lecture on data science, and we were studying about the basic libraries or the pandas which are useful in data science. Okay, I have installed the random Rainbow CV extension from this extension box in the VS Code. It helps me reading the CSV file. Okay, now dot we use this, and we will using this notebook. Okay, so in this lecture we will study something about pandas and something about the basic Python language, which will be very helpful in our data science career. Okay, as I have already told you, for importing pandas library, import pandas as PD. Then you have to actually install the libraries from pip install, so you have to understand the basic Python. I know I'm going from intermediate level, but I will go from intermediate to advanced level. Okay, so pd dot underscore underscore version, it will give you the version of your pandas which is installed in your computer. Okay, then df is equal to pd dot read csv population underscore data dot csv. Actually dot pd is the our library, and dot read csv is the function, and this function is telling that the file which is having name population underscore data, it must be present in the same directory, in the same folder, and its name is population underscore data, and its type is .csv. Go and read this CSV file. Okay, this instruction is saying this. Then whatever is in this data set, I want the first 5 rows of this data set. Dot head function, which I have already explained in my first lecture. So it will give you the first 5 rows, 1 2 3 4 5, starting from 0 index. So what was this? Yeah. Okay, I'm using the very basic English language so that everyone can join. I know many of our Pakistani Indian fellows have issue with the English languages. That's why I am using very simple English language. So uh, what I can do here, I can show you population underscore data dot csv. This was the initial file. I can take it here. This is the CSV file. I want to tell you something about the CSV file. CSV is the comma separation values. Like you can see, these values are separated by the commas. What is the advantage of CSV file? Why can't we use Excel file? Actually, the CSV file is used for storing very large number of data, because it is only separated by comma, and you are just entering a lot of values. But in case of Excel or other tools, there are some cells and some other things you can fill, and they use a lot of the memory. But in case of CSV, look how enormous data is stored in this. It is a whole population census data, which I am scrolling through, and I can get all the insights from this data very precisely and accurately. One thing I also want to tell you, this is the Copilot. You can also install this and use it. This will automate your code to very much extent. And yeah, I know it is paid, and after some time your code completion is 100%, and it might not work properly, then you can also use Windsurf library. It's 100% free and work very likewise Copilot. Okay, back to the notebook. So what I actually want to teach you in this lecture, that how to convert CSV file to Excel file. Suppose you have the CSV file from the client and you want to work on the CSV file, but you can't really understand what is in this file, because you cannot guess exactly, because all the values are likewise same and separated by the comma, and you exactly don't have the idea what is this data is actually telling me. So you can convert into the Excel form by writing this. This is the beauty of Python, that's why I love it. Just you have to write df. What is inside the df is the data set, which is of population underscore data. Okay, and we, which is this, I want to show you, yeah, this one. Okay, and we want to convert to Excel, dot to Excel. What will be the name of it? Population. What its latest name will be population. Is the now its name will be not be population underscore data. It will be population, and it will be in the form of Excel. Yeah. So now what is in this df underscore xl pt dot read excel means go and read the excel file, which is in the same directory we are opening the notebook, and read the population.xlsx file, which is here we made it the file. Okay, it will read, and now here in this instruction we are telling it to give first five rows, and here are the first five rows of the data. Okay, I want to show here the first five rows of the CSV file of that data. We can work on CSV, we can work on Excel file. It is totally up to us. So then df.info, it will give us the basic info of the data. How many are the columns? Here it is written 21 columns, 529 entries. So you can guess how much is the data here. Okay, starting from 0 to 527. You can also check the d types here, like all success ruler has integer type of data. Integer type is means 0, 1, 2, 3 in the form of mathematical digits, like 589 is integer data. And what is a float data? Float data is 1.20, 5.89, 9 point something, 189.20. This type of data is float, which have decimal number. And what is the categorical or object form data? It is the alphabetical data, like in the brackets, if written cat, it will have the object data, or something categorical data more precisely. Okay, what is the difference between this info and d type? D type will give you only the d types which are here, also it's also present in the info function. You can check it separately also. Df dot head 6 means I want the first 6 rows of the data. Okay, okay, some of the stats is here, but not all. We will cover all the stats from we will cover all the stats portion in the separate lectures. Okay, you you should not take any care of it. I will take care of the stats, and I will teach you likewise each and every function of the stats which will be used in data science. Okay, I have also explained what is this describe function do. It will tell you the statistics of the data. It will tell you basic maths which is applied here, like count, how much is the count, 528, mean, what is the mean of the area of the Pakistan, what is the standard deviation, mean, etc. We will talk about all this stuff later on very extensively. Some of the stuff I want to tell here is you can see male in the rural areas, okay, female in the rural areas, transgender in the rural areas, sex ratio, household size. I will explain it later in our upcoming lecture. Okay, DF, suppose I want the max, which is also here in from the data, df max area, uh, whatever you want to write, you can write it in here. df. This bracket means I want to select the column. This square bracket means, and what is written inside this, what you say,